From badminton to Bollywood, Deepika Padukone's life has seen many dramatic twists and turns. The superstar and her family, including husband Ranveer Singh, opened up about many highs and lows they have seen over the years and shared the experience of meeting Shah Rukh Khan for the first time, battling depression and dealing with negativity on her journey to stardom. In spite of having nothing to do with Bollywood or the Indian film industry and having not performed in front of the camera, Deepika Padukone was always destined to be one of the biggest stars in the country. Today she's billed as one of the top actresses, and not just that, she's also one of the highest paid female actors in the country. Lekin Deepika was earlier on following in her father Prakash Padukone's legendary footsteps. लेकिन ऐसा लगता है कि somewhere कहीं ना कहीं उन्हें भी पता था कि उनकी जगह स्पोर्ट्स में नहीं बल्कि बड़े पर्दे पर है. Check out what I'm talking about. Deepika opens up about how till she was almost 15, her life revolved around badminton and the discipline it demanded from her. The routine was to wake up every morning like 4-5 a.m., go for physical conditioning, go back home, go to school. As soon as I would finish school, there was no time to chit-chat with friends, so I would get home, change, have a snack, go to the badminton court, have dinner, be exhausted by that point and go to sleep. And then the same thing again. That was my life. No late nights, no TV, no movies. Sports teaches you sacrifice, discipline, dedication and determination, Deepika said. But the actor, who has also dabbled in modeling as a child, loved the experience of being in front of the camera and being on stage at school events. Over a period of time, she realized कि उनकी मंजिल बैडमिंटन नहीं, Bollywood थी. Her father mentions in an interview that he also knew deep down that badminton was her second love, not her first love. After taking a solo trip to Copenhagen at 16, Deepika knew that she wanted to pursue modeling and acting and assured her parents that she would make them proud. After several years as a successful model, Deepika got her break as an actor when she made her debut opposite the Badshah of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan himself. Deepika recalls her first meeting with Shah Rukh and says she went to meet him looking like a Yash Chopra heroine with a white salwar kameez and straight hair. But instead of being overwhelmed by the star, she felt an instant comfort level with the superstar. Several successful and not so successful films followed, with criticism about her acting skills, till in 2012 she did the film Cocktail and it completely changed her as a performer. Deepika says, I think my being shy came in the way of me. Just allowing myself and freeing myself in front of the camera, I think Cocktail allowed me that experience for the first time of truly being vulnerable in front of the camera. And once I felt that joy and that high, there was no stopping after that. But in 2015, the actor began experiencing symptoms of depression and has opened up since about seeking therapy for her mental health concerns. Ranveer Singh, who Deepika married in 2018, speaks about her struggles with depression and reveals a particularly frightening episode she faced. She had a blackout and she had fallen very suddenly, and when she came back to her senses, she couldn't stop bawling. It was very, very scary, he said. However, according to the actor, the emotional turmoil she was going through also helped her evolve as an actor because everything that she was experiencing within started reflecting in her performances. Deepika is now a vocal advocate of ending the stigma against mental health issues and often shares posts raising awareness and breaking myths to help those battling depression and anxiety. Truly, Deepika's journey has been of slow and steady improvement, of accepting and working on criticism, and going from strength to strength. The actor turned producer has a promising future ahead, and we wish her only the very best of luck.